Hey guys, today in that video I will show you how to remove that annoying plastic part of the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 because it is very hard to get it away. You can't remove it, whatever you do. You can pull, you can shaking, but you will not get it away. So yeah, that's I think also the reason why you watch that video. But in that video I will show you two ways how to remove that annoying part. On the first way, you need a screwdriver. The screwdriver should be very small, thin, and so on, but also stable. It should be not plastic or something. So, on the first way, you take your screwdriver. You should also take a t-shirt or something. It is just that you have more grip and you not slide away or something because of sweaty fingers, whatever. Press now the screwdriver in here. And then I move it to the right side or left side, whatever, but I drill it inside, you see, and it's open more. And I do it, that's the screwdriver, you see. That the screwdriver goes from the flat part like that. I move it like that now the flat part, it goes from up to down. And you see it is now more open here. So now we have one side more open, and then we take it out and you see it's still holding it open like that. So, and then we go on a part here where it is not fully open but a bit. We press again the screwdriver inside and then we drill again to the right side or whatever. And then you see it's jump away. And now it's done. So on the second way, we need the tripod or something what has that screw. And then we just connect it with that part. So, and now the only what you have to do is you hold it like that and then you pull it to the downside. And beside, if you pull it, you're also shaking a bit up to down, left to right, and you press with your thumb here. So I pull now, press with my thumb and shaking, and you see it's very fast removed. That's the easiest way in my eyes to get it away, but if you don't have tripod or something like that, just use the screwdriver and yeah, your problem's gone. I hope it was helpful for you guys and see you next time. Bye.